You've not been getting any subscribers in the last 28 days, you have not been getting any views in the last 28 days, and you have not been getting impressions, like your YouTube reach, YouTube is not recommending your video, your reach is just very, very low. That means you're not growing on YouTube. There is nothing happening on your channel. Your channel is just redundant, your channel is just stagnant and is going down by the day. That means you are doing something wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel successfully and be able to get to monetization before 6 to 8 months on YouTube. Yes, that I'm going to use is your ChatGPT. Yes, and channel optimization. Those are the 2 things that are going to help your channel to grow on YouTube. Those are the 2 things that are going to make YouTube to be able to recommend your video and push your video to the right audience. I'm going to be giving you a detailed step-by-step tutorial on your channel optimization and the use of ChatGPT to optimize your channel. That means you are going to use ChatGPT to be able to optimize your channel after I am done optimizing your channel. Yes, now I'm going to get into this video real quick. For the first step, we are going to do our YouTube studio. Here I have a video I've uploaded to my YouTube channel. So this one now, you can see the video is raw. Is a raw clip. I want to zoom it in so you see. You can see there is no title. And also I'm going to click on the pencil icon to edit this video. That is how you are properly supposed to do your videos, any of your videos. So because I uploaded this video through my YouTube app, the description on my channel is not showing here. It's not showing here. So that is the reason why it's like this. So what I want to do is now I want to get an optimized title, an optimized description, optimized tag, and then a hashtag that will go with the description. So we are going to go to ChatGPT. Go ahead to ChatGPT. So the prompts I'm supposed to use for ChatGPT, I've already written it down. So we're going to check. So this is for the video optimization now. Now for the video optimization, whenever you are uploading a new video, this is what you are going to do whenever you're uploading a new video. Every single video with short video, you are going to optimize it so that, because you are a new channel, you need to keep optimizing your video. So the prompt I have for this video is I'm trying to ask ChatGPT, because you're trying to chat with ChatGPT like a real person. So I have a new video topic on how cards and end screen can boost views and increase YouTube video watch time. Like what I just told ChatGPT is that what I did on my video, like what I talked about in my video. So it's going to generate a title for me. So now I'm asking ChatGPT to give me an optimized clickable title, description, tags, and hashtags for this new video. I'm going to copy it now and take it to ChatGPT. So this is it right now. So we are going to click send it to ChatGPT. So this is a clickable title: boost your views and watch time fast with YouTube cards and end screen. I can decide to use my own. I can decide to tweak this title. If I don't want to use this thing, I can decide to, because ChatGPT is not 100% perfect. So you as a human being, you are smart. You need to put in your own idea too. So this is the title. So you can check that it has this emojis. You have to, when you are copying and pasting, to remove those emojis. You can leave this, but me, I normally remove these emojis. So now the good thing about ChatGPT is it has already given you the tags in a paste friendly format and the hashtag. So what you are just going to do is copy paste. Because now what ChatGPT has done is that it has optimized the tags and the hashtag for your particular video. So each video has its own hashtag and its own tags and its own title. I'm going to be copying this title. You'll see that that's what I'm going to be using for my video. So let's go to you can either do this on your YouTube studio. You can either take this and do it on your YouTube studio app or your Firefox or your browser. So whichever way. But I prefer to do it on my YouTube studio app because I want to add in more things, and so I've pasted it here. So you are going to remove this This is it here. So me now, what I want to do here is I want to add something to. I want to add my own. So that's what I want to add. So do you get? So how to boost your views and watch time fast with YouTube cards and NCs secret boost hack. I can decide to change it later, but let me leave it that way. I love it that way. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and then copy the optimized description. Make sure that when you are copying, you are removing those hyphen and all that. You are removing it. So this is very easy. Use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to give you an optimized title. Sometimes I usually put my hashtag in the description and my tags. I usually put both in the description. So I'm copying the tags now because I want the video to be well optimized. So I'll still put the tag in the description, then still go ahead and put the hashtag, because the hashtag is what is going to make YouTube make your videos searchable. The hashtag is very, very important. So I'll put the hashtag. Coming back now, I'm going to click altered content. No, that's for video. If you are the one doing your video by yourself, you are doing a sit down video, you are creating the content with your own camera, then you click no. But if you are using an AI, makes real person appear or says or do something they didn't do, altered footage of real event or place, generate a realistic looking scene that didn't occur, that's for faceless channel. People that are using AI to generate their video, click yes please. So I've clicked in my location. So now I'm going to click allow video and audio remixing. Yes, how to answer. Everything is already set on my channel. Do you get? Everything is already set. You just click those things and that is all. I want to put in the tag. It's very, very important. Go back, copy, then you put in the tag here. Okay, just paste it. That's all. Do you see? Tags are already there for you. Do you see the tags now? YouTube cards, tutorial, YouTube card and end screen, increase YouTube watch time, YouTube algorithm 2025, YouTube SEO tips. That's giving you everything you need. Then you save. When you save, you need to save it because sometimes our browser can just do somehow and just click away. Then so that is just it for video optimization. Now we're going to go to channel optimization in general. Now for channel optimization, this is your channel, this is everything, this is where, because you are going to, this is the custom, I want to zoom it so you see it's customization. That is where you are going to put everything. Do you see? I'm a creator that loves my journey and everything. I took this from ChatGPT. So this is the prompt you are to use. This is the prompt you have to use. My channel on YouTube is all about lifestyle and silent vlog. Kindly give me an optimized channel description, channel hashtag, and channel tags that can allow you to recommend my video to my targeted audience and understand what my channel is all about. This is what I will input into my channel settings so that YouTube can push all my new videos and existing videos. So do you see now? So this, once ChatGPT has given you the answer, just like this one, I don't want to go over it all over again because I don't want to change anything on my channel. It's loading because I've gone back. So I don't want to change anything on my channel, but let me see. I think I have a student channel here that I've not. Okay, so what you do is take it's going to give it to you. Normally it's going to give it to you, so you copy it to the paste it here. You are going to put your email and where they can contact you if you want them to, if you want brand deals to contact you, put it there. Then this is where you are going to put your link. I haven't put any of my link, so this is where you are going to put your link to your TikTok, link to your Instagram, link to your Facebook, just any link you want to be there. Then Then this is where you are going to put your email. This is your email. Like I still put it here also. So when you are done with this part, you are going to publish it. Then you go to your setting here. When you go to your setting, you are going to go to upload default and still put a description of the video that you see. There's the description of the video that gave you. That's what your video is all about, what you are all about. Tell ChatGPT, you put it there again. Then you put in the hashtag. Then you put in your disclaimer if you have one. If you are like my channel, you put in a disclaimer. If you're not like my channel, then you leave this part away. Put in your keywords. Do you see the keywords is the keyword is the keyword is the tags. Copy and paste friendly. You put it here. You put it here. Then you always keep your video in unlisted. Visibility is unlisted. Make sure that is happening. Then you put in the tag here again. You paste in the tag here again, so that YouTube can be able to understand what your channel is all about. This setting is like a default that comes with the channel. So you are going to keep putting your category and set it as such. Then you go to feature eligibility. Make sure that these 3 things are ticked. So generally, this is what you are supposed to focus on. Just tick on all these ones. I've already taught you how to use all these ones. This is where you have issue. This is another place where you keep in your tag again. This is where you keep in your tag. So when you are done with this, then you save. Now I want to change my tag now. Okay. So I want to use this prompt. Let's see. Paste it here. My channel is all about YouTube growth and social media growth. Can you give me an optimize? So now I don't need an optimize. So let me see what ChatGPT is going to bring up for me. So I just need the tags here. And if I like what it brings, I can put in other ones too. So this is the channel. This is my channel tag. Because it's been long I changed that channel tag. So let me set it back. So I can remove it totally. All my channel tag and then paste in a new channel tag. Do you see the tags now? It's there. So I can save this. Now this is saved. This is how you'll be able to. This is the second part to be able to use your ChatGPT to optimize your channel properly. An SEO driven optimized channel will be able to push videos more, will be able to go far when you are uploading all your videos. So when you are done, then you go back and that is all. It's already saved already. So that is how ChatGPT can be able to optimize your channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it like, a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.